Do you want to start the game again?
Here is 2005. Here is 2005. Here is 2005. DJ Jens versus DJ Kenny. Part 3. Part 3. Part 3. Let's go.
Come here, little kitties, on my lap. Guess who's back with a brand new rap? And I don't mean rap as in a new case of time molestation accusation. No worries, Papa's got a brand new bag of toys. What else could I possibly do to make noise? I done touched on everything but little boy. Next little stab at Michael, that's just a metaphor. I'm just psycho. I go a little bit crazy. Sometimes I get a little bit out of control with my rhymes. Superstar, get do a little slide. Bend down, touch your toes, and then slide up the center of the dance floor. A DP for my bone hole, and it's cool if you let one go. Nobody's gonna know who hear it. Give a little it's okay. Oops, my kitty just skipped, and everyone just heard you let one rip.
DJ Kenny in the mix.